Well, I just got done finishing putting this back together. I've done a little changing on it. This is the Kenzie saw, the Bayou Country Powersaws saw he built for me. I was running it, and the wrist pin where the circlips, those little circlips that go in there to hold the wrist pin in, one of those ears broke off and got stuck in the ring, pinched the ring right into the piston, and it lost all compression, so it ruined the piston, but it didn't hurt the cylinder at all. So basically I went on the Dukes and I got one of their fancy schmancy pistons for this and had to figure out my squish and whatever else, but looks a little different now because I put a different muffler on here. This muffler came in some auction stuff that I bought from a guy that used to build saws, and I literally just put this back together and just put a bar and chain on it. So I'm gonna go over to the wood pile and hopefully this thing will work. It's raining right now, and I swear we've had the worst weather lately. Yesterday I woke up with about at least 8 inches of snow on the ground. Then it rained all day long, and it warmed up throughout the day, and it rained all night long. And then this morning it was raining, got real windy, and then it started getting sunny out. Now it's raining again. So of course I can't work because it's no good on our landing at all. We'll just tear it all to heck and never get a truck in there. So see what this does. The chain ain't the sharpest. It's a 28-inch bar, and I just put an 8-pin sprocket on. Got my tack gauge on here, and it's telling me it's running about 12.8 wide open, but I'm taking her easy through the wood. This piston needs to break in. I'd say that's pretty good for now. I'm pretty happy with that, that's for sure.